Welcome to our channel. Today we how to request replacement CVS OTC Benefits Card guide step by step clearly. To request a replacement CVS OTC Benefits Card, you will need your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Next, locate the customer service number for your OTC benefits provider. You can usually find this number on the back of your current OTC card or on your provider's website. Call the customer service number during their business hours. Once connected, explain that you need a replacement OTC benefits card. The representative may ask you to verify your identity using the information you gathered. After verification, request a replacement card explicitly. Ask how long it will take for the card to arrive. Note any confirmation number or reference given by the customer service representative. If required, ask if there are any fees associated with the replacement card. Make sure to clarify any additional steps you may need to take. Finally, keep an eye on your mail for the arrival of your new card. Once received, check that your name and information are correct. If there are any issues, contact the customer service number again for assistance. Ensure you destroy your old card to prevent unauthorized use. That's all you need to do to request a replacement CVS OTC Benefits Card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.